Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuruTutorial. Today we'll be learning how to turn off recommendations on YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the recommendations on YT Music app or YouTube Music app, first open up your YT Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, at the top right corner of the screen you can see our profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above help and feedback, and you'll land over here where you can see the recommendations option available for us just above the get music premium. Tap on recommendations, and after landing over here, make sure the options which are on the top over here are turned off. If your toggle icon is turned blue like this, it's on, and if you tap on it, it turns to gray, which means it is off. Now in order to turn off the recommendations on YT Music app, make sure they're turned off and are on the gray color. With that being done, guys, you will have turned off recommendations on the YouTube Music app. And that being said, guys, this is how to turn off recommendations on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.